Hello YouTubers, today we are looking for VW Golf Plus fuse box here. So I've looked on both of the sides, on the side panels here, but I couldn't find it unfortunately. But upon looking at the manual, it's basically, there is like a storage compartment here, and just underneath the storage compartment, if you can see, there is fuse box right behind it. So you open this and gently pull it from one side and it comes off, and there is the fuse box here. So it's good to know where the fuse boxes are, and this is where I'll be hardwiring the dash cam, so stay tuned.